Next tab is visual effects. Visual effects are very interesting effects that you can use in your project and videos. I explain them one by one in separate videos. First is background removal. Sometimes like these videos, you don't have for example, green screen or blue screen. Just you want to remove your background from the person that is inside it. It's very simple. This effect is working like this. You can simply click and drag and drop it on your videos. Boom. You can see it's completely delete background. Somewhere we have some issues going to its settings. So you can see if from here any effect that you drag and drop on your video, it's appear here. If you open it, it's here, background removal. Click on it, you can access your settings. But if you don't want to do this, select your video, and here it's a background removal like other setting of the software, the video. But I want to make it clean in settings, and just we see that. Okay, first thing first, that you want to solve these issues, make quality balance not accurate, and boom, it's disappear. And the accurate is better, but it takes too time to calculate. Feather is for correcting these issues. If you need, it's feathering in between the background and this person. This background is removed. Or if you don't want to remove background, you can make the opacity full and just blurring full. This is another interesting way to remove background. Maybe sometimes like that. But you have to mention that, you have to be careful about that. Your classes has to not be exactly color like background. For example, in this video, you can see we don't have any color saturation, color difference between these colors and, for example, the back area. Let's see what happened. Just test it. Drag and drop it, and you can see first thing first, go to quality and make it accurate to correct that issues. You can see it works nice. Sometimes we have an issue here, but if you have very fast movement, this background removal does not work very well. But just for example, you have in your room and you want to turn on your webcam and record yourself, it may be useful. Maybe you can change the feather a little bit, or blurring, for example, opacity, then blur it. Maybe it is good for this situation. Our work is nice. It's not only for videos, but also you can assign it to images. For example, this is our image, background removal. First, make it accurate and nice. You can see, but it has a little bit bug here because it's your image the person has to be exactly at the middle of the area to remove that. And you can see it remove its background. And you can, for example, put it anywhere. For example, in media, going to here, this fire, and bring it there. You can see this image is its background is removed, and you can place it on top of the other images. Okay, that's it. The visual effects is very useful for simple removing background. But if you are very professional and you have a green screen, you can do with other tools of the software, that is color removal. I will show you later.